Meticulously maintained, updated and spacious 4-bed/2.5 BTH west/in-ground pool in the heart of Great Bridge. Home has a flowing transitional floor plan. Front porch. Cathedral foyer leads to a large eat-in kitchen that opens to family room and overlooks the backyard. Kitchen has a peninsula west/granite counters and pantry. Family room has gas fireplace, beams/crown molding. New LVP wood-looking waterproof flooring downstairs, new carpet upstairs, freshly painted, updated light fixtures. Most newer windows, new doorknobs/hardware, encapsulated crawl, HVAC 2017, water heater 2014. All beds upstairs. LRG PBR ensuite west/2 large closets. PRBTH dual sinks west/separate shower. Family room leads to a new Trex landing in the backyard. Large PRB fenced brooked shed and a beautiful 20x40 saltwater pool west/slide/DB pool. Updated base, 2022 liner, pump 2022, filter 2021. Equipment to convey includes cover and safety fence. Near all bases/shopping and interstates. No HOA.